So, meron siyang sariling maliit na kwarto para sa family with kids. Hi, Kitty.
Hi.
Yan. Pwede mong lagyan. Sarili mo siyang kwarto. Sa bullet train. Tapos, it's running 301 kilometers per hour. Itong bullet train.
That's pretty fast.
Hintayin natin. Oh, 298 kilometers per hour.
Wow, that's pretty fast. Hello. Yes.
Hello. Somebody's checking.
We
Hi,
actually missed
honey.
our first train because
Show me the original one.
oh, this one.
One? Or you have 3 pieces?
We came from Amsterdam. Yeah.
See if this one the right. Munich. Yeah.
Yeah, Munich.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Close the door. It's really bumpy. I got pants on. Should I?
Water. Okay, water.
Nasa tanggal ba tayo? Oh, hindi mo makikita yung labas, mahal.
Mahirap.
O dahil kasi nakabukas yung ilaw.
Pwede natin patigil.
Sige, pakipatay nga. Para mapakita ko lang yung gaano siya kabilis. There's the light. Oh, really? Hindi siya mahal. Hindi siya nag-reflect. Yeah. Alright.
Ting tong, ting tong. Hello.
Hi, honey. Hi, kitty.
Here.
We got the limited edition train.
Limited edition. Show them what you got.
Oh, okay.
Ano yung bigay
I
sa
got
inyo?
this.
Let me see. Show them. Bullet train. Libre to, no, Kitty? They gave it for free.
And
What's
this
this?
Kuya
It's a
Bui's.
freight train.
Freight train?
This is a land vehicle. This is a land
It's a
vehicle.
bus.
Yes, this is a bus.
Oh, so they got it for free. It's a souvenir.
And this one's British.
This is
one's
our
British.
ticket. So yung kanina,
This one's British. This one is a limited edition one because this one's British.
ano yun, chinek yung ticket namin. And it's for the 5 of us. Magkano yun? 442 euros for the 5 of us. Sabi niya ang bata walang bayad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Four now.
So it's for 4.
Yeah, 0 to 3, free. 4 to 11, child.
Nalit na kami ngayon kasi nagkamali kami ng sinakyan sa sobrang dami ng tren, nalilito na kami, hindi namin alam kung saan siya. Pero mabuti meron kaming nakausap na German na sinabi niya hindi naman namin kailangan bumalik sa anong station?
Sa Schiphol Airport.
Schiphol Airport para makapunta kami ng Munich. Sabi niya, since down south na kami, tinuruan niya kami kung paano makabalik na hindi kami babalik ng pinanggalingan namin. So sa sobrang dami ng train, lahat connected. Para siyang Japan, pero ang Japan is isang state lang, Japan. Ito, lahat to, di ba?
Lahat.
Yeah. So, connected siya.
Countries.
Yeah, countries.
Yeah.
From Amsterdam. Ang pinanggalingan namin is sa Amsterdam.
Sa Netherlands.
Sa Netherlands. So, nag-trend kami papuntang Munich.
Germany.
So, connected siya. Ang galing, di ba? Bongga. Kakaaning. There. Natin dito. Ito na.
Motor?
We're expected to arrive at 12. Anong oras? 12:30 ng umaga ba? 12:07 ng umaga.
12:07 ako.
Yeah, na-delay kasi kami. At tapos yung tren kanina,
Nasira.
nasira. Oh my God, ang tagal namin naghintay. Parang
2 oras.
2 hours yun talaga.
Well, 1 hour yung delay sa...
Oh my God.
1 hour yung delay sa station, tapos 1 hour yung delay doon sa...
Okay. So yan na. Ano namin.
Now?
Alright.